Start by removing the old flange and ensuring the drain pipe is clean and free of debris so the new twist and set flange seats properly. Begin by measuring the drain pipe diameter and choose the correct rubber ring for that size, then dry fit the flange over the pipe to confirm alignment with the toilet bolt slots pointing straight out. If the ring is a split style, compress it evenly around the pipe so it sits flush and centered. Then slide the plastic flange body down until it engages the ring. If the ring is a solid collar, seat it fully before lowering the flange. Rotate the flange body clockwise while holding the rubber ring in place to engage the twist mechanism. Feeling for a firm stop, indicating the ring has expanded into the pipe gap and created pressure against the pipe wall. Check for play by wiggling the flange. Any movement means you must twist further or reseat the ring and try again. Once the flange is snug and aligned, mark the screw hole positions on the floor and pre-drill pilot holes to avoid cracking tile or porcelain. Then fasten the flange with corrosion-resistant screws into the subfloor or concrete anchors as appropriate. Finally, verify the flange sits level with the finished floor surface and that the toilet bolts are exposed and parallel. Install a new wax or wax-free ring and set the toilet, tightening bolts evenly until the bowl sits flat and does not rock. Common mistakes include using the wrong size rubber ring, which causes leaks and poor sealing, so always measure the pipe and select the ring that matches the pipe outside diameter and refit if there is any wobble. Another frequent issue is under twisting the flange so it remains loose. If you feel movement after installation, remove the flange and reseat the ring, twisting until you feel a solid engagement and then secure with screws. A third concern is over-tightening screws that crack the flange or damage the floor. So use pilot holes, choose the correct screw length for your floor type, and tighten incrementally while checking flange level and alignment. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and showing user discussions about specific installation experiences related to toilet flanges and other projects. We also help contractors find work by giving them a place to connect with clients and participate in our discussion community where practical tips and project photos are shared.